Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore one of the most common issues developers face when working with React applications: how to redirect users after submitting a form using React Query. If you've ever struggled with this problem, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the world of React Query and learn how to check if a form has been submitted and then redirect the user to a new page. We'll cover the key concepts and steps involved in achieving this functionality. So by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to tackle this challenge head-on. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out with React, this video is designed to provide a clear and concise explanation that's easy to follow. So let's start with the basics. When working with forms in React, we often need to perform some action after the form has been submitted. This could be anything from sending a request to an API to updating the application state. However, when using React Query, things get a bit more complicated. React Query provides a powerful way to manage data, fetching and catching in our applications. However, it allows us to focus on writing our application code without worrying about the intricacies of data management. But when it comes to form submission, we need to make sure that we're handling the redirect correctly. The key concept here is to use React Query's built-in features to check if the form has been submitted and then perform the redirect. We can achieve this by using a combination of React Query's hooks and some clever state management. Imagine you have a simple login form, and after the user submits their credentials, you want to redirect them to a dashboard page. With React Query, we can use the useQuery hook to fetch the data required for the dashboard page, but only after the form has been submitted successfully. To achieve this, we need to create a separate query for the form submission and another one for fetching the dashboard data. We can then use the useQuery client hook to invalidate the dashboard query when the form is submitted, which will trigger a refetch of the dashboard data. Now, let's talk about how we can actually check if the form has been submitted. One way to do this is by using a Boolean flag that gets set to true when the form is submitted successfully. We can then use this flag to conditionally render the redirect component. Think of it like a traffic light system. When the form is submitted, the traffic light turns green, and we can proceed with the redirect. But if there's an error or the submission fails, the traffic light stays red, and we don't redirect the user. By using this approach, we can ensure that our application only redirects the user when the form has been submitted successfully, which provides a much better user experience. So, to summarize, here are the key points to take away from this video. We can use React Query's hooks and state management features to check if a form has been submitted and then redirect the user. We need to create separate queries for the form submission and the dashboard data. We can use the useQuery client hook to invalidate the dashboard query when the form is submitted, which will trigger a refetch of the dashboard data. We can use a Boolean flag to conditionally render the redirect component based on whether the form has been submitted successfully. And that's it for today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to check if a form has been submitted and then redirect the user using React Query. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on React and other programming topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.